TTT. Things take time. I was born and brought up in Kathmandu and have been all over the world, living in Switzerland, Holland and the US. Currently, I live in Kolkata, the city of joy, with my husband and my magical 9-year-old. After my daughter was born, I was thrilled to feed her curiosity and thankful that I got a chance to learn so many things all over again. That was the time I knew there was a teacher in me. I believe that children learn when they are curious and they are relaxed. In my classroom, I try to create that environment where children can come out of their shells and speak out their minds. We have several activities where they participate and they are at the forefront. And so what happens is they learn while having a lot of fun. I help children become confident speakers, which means coming up with different ideas, writing an interesting speech and delivering it with confidence. I'm Vidwata. Come learn with me at Openhouse.